Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change a keyboard in Android phone. So this is like for beginner, for dummy who are the first timer use the Android phone. So in order to change the keyboard, or the default keyboard will be a Google board or Gboard. You can see on the settings. Now you can jump into the settings, try to search the accessibility on the advanced setting, additional settings. Please tap it, and here we go. This is keyboard and input method. Tap it, and this is the current keyboard that you use, or by default is Gboard. So you can use another keyboard. For example, now my current input method is Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Just choose this. Now your keyboard is changing. So here there is an available keyboards option. If you tap the Gboard, this is the settings page of the Gboard that you can try to adjust. Like you can change the languages, the preferences, theme, text correction, glide typing, voice typing, and so on. And of course, there is a difference on Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. There is a rich input where you can like voice typing, enable voice typing key, and you can use Microsoft SwiftKey deep search, enable Microsoft search recommendation, and so on. So if you feel the Gboard and Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard not enough, you can try to search the application on the Play Store or trusted sources that provide you unique keyboard. Here, for example, there is an AI keyboard from the Play Store. You can download it for free, like Chatbot, Grammar. Even there is a emoji keyboard, Facemoji, and so on. So if you need assistance, you can download a Grammarly that you can integrate with a Microsoft SwiftKey and your Gboard. And also there is a Yandex keyboard that you can try because it's Russian. Maybe you need a Russian font. You can try the Yandex keyboard. And also there is some Arabic, Malayalam, or Hindi, and so on. So feel free to try to change your boring keyboard. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.